store, guys. O, diba? Ang laki. That's so cute. Love it. Wifey and Anna. So, meron pa silang sa loob, guys. So, parang ano siya. Ay, ang cute! Oh, workshop area. New products nila, guys. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Airbrush concealer. OMG, airbrush concealer. That's so cute. Ang ganda ng packaging. As always, super ganda ng packaging. And then they also have the this Benefit Hydrating Concealer. Ayan, oh. Parang yung outer product niya. Parang pang-hydrate talaga na under eye area. And then yung gitna is a concealer part. How cool is that? Parang ano lang, parang capping concealer. Nasa maliit. Si airbrush concealer naman, let's see. Loose side siya. Wow. But I really wanna try it sa under eye area para makita ko kung paano siya sa mga crease, mga under eye area. So they have two different types. It's a mirror. Super cute na ito. Parang meron siya before and after. Yun yung launch nila na bago today. And also, they have a new store here at Provinces Magdalena. So, punta kayo dito. It's right beside Mac. You'll easily see it. My outfit today is super simple. Nilito na naman yung H&M hats. There you go. All lalaki mga pencil. How cute is... Oh! Totoong pencil. It's real. I met Ish. Intern siya ng Benefit. Oh, diba? May ano siya na-open? May 13. 13. Ah, 30. Ah, okay. Very recently. Nice to meet you. Meron pa silang coffee station over here. Nitro 7. Masarap na yung hazelnut caramel mocha. Very nice. How about? Ang cute ng Preskita look. It's a giant pencil. It's a bag actually. How cute is that? Here at the Kiehl's event. Ang cute pa, meron silang flower wall. O, diba? Pwede mag-OOTD and all. I love it. Nakaabot tayo. Thank you so much, Anna! Oo nga eh. So, we're here sa early night sa may Aracama. BGC na kami. So, this is the Kiehl's event. They're launching their Calendula and Aloe Soothing Hydration Mask. Oh, mask pala to wifey. Cool. Anyway, we asked for drinks. Sabi sa mga drinks sila, nature-inspired pala ngayon. Hindi ako naka-nature-inspired outfit. Pero si wifey naka-nature-inspired outfit. Pang-otis! Oo, diba? Pack. Ano? Tequila Sunrise. Later on, we're gonna try yung product mismo. So, I'll let you guys know kung bongga or not. And then, pag uwi, tsaka ko itry yung Benefit na concealer. Yeah, nasa mood ako mag-film. So, we're gonna do it. I'm with Sheila Orense. Fishman, say hi! Okay, we'll talk about the product. So, this is the Calendula line, tama ba?
So then you have first the Calendula Foaming Lip Cleansing Foaming Wash. This is our facial wash. This is the Calendula and Aloe Soothing Hydration Cleanse. This is our newest gel type mask. It's very good for hydration. Actually, it has a marigold flower for sensitivity.
Kaya pala may little something.
You can put on the flat cotton. Actually, flat cotton is the best.
Yeah.
So deep cleanse also the skin. It's for preparing the skin. Actually, if you use moisturizer, it will prepare the skin para deep penetrate.
Yeah.
It's a gel type.
Shucks! Sobrang pure niya tingnan, no?
Yes. Then
Parang
I will show you.
jellies. Yeah.
It's a gel type.
Wow. And then, so a little goes a long way talaga. So, sobrang tipid pa rin.
Super tipid niya, ma'am. And
Yeah.
a thin type lang on whole face.
Ooh.
Yeah, like that.
Cooling kasi aloe vera, no? So, ito yung itsura ng products, guys. Ito yung mask, ito yung toner, and then yung facial wash sa likod. Ang cute, no? We have this little area over here. Yun yung hashtag, Peace Love Calendula. We have a cute bike over here. Here. Jen! Hi, Jen! I-follow niyo si Jen sa Instagram. Ano mo, I love her butt. Girl love. Sobrang gusto ko yung butt niya. Tignan niyo yung mga post niya. I love it.
I love your butt.
So, tapos yung event, umuulan sa labas. So, we have to wait a while bago umuwi. Nag-photo-photo lang kami. Me? Wala. Dinner here at Motorino sa may tapat ng 4th Street. It's Honey's birthday! Hi, Mahal! Ayan.
Legit pala yung ano nila.
Si Valine, tsaka si Honey. Happy birthday, Honey!
Thank you.
Yummy! Pizza! Ano, Mahal? Look, may pugon talaga sila. Look, wait lang. Look, may pugon sila. How cool is that? Ito yung itsura ng restaurant. Tapos tingnan mo yung ceiling niya. Ang cute, no? Love it. Truffle. Ayan, everyone's here. Chess, chess! Adi sa... Ay, video ba yan?
Kaso lang,
Day to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
We're having beer. Ito sa akin. Ito kay Jess. Si Say Ayaw. Hello! Magmimix si Jess ng
Ulam.
pang color sa hair.
Actually,
Ano color yan? Transylvania red?
Gray. Medyo dark na black actually. Miss
Dark na
ba?
gray.
Kasi iba yung ito. Okay. Ganito yung itsura nung in-apply nyo.
Ito.
Yan
Ganyan.
mismo?
Oh.
Yun nga.
Tapos nakasulat sa kanya, Sterling.
So, tingnan mo, iba yung pagka-gray niya. Ito, medyo silver. Ito, gray na gray.
Wife is helping me out kasi yung unang hair color ko, it didn't turn out so well. So, wifey's helping me out. Nag-mix pa siya and all. Thank you, wifey. Ang ganda. Ito ba yung iron? From DIY Hair PH. O, diba?
Bakit yung itatak ng iba mahal? Sparks kasi iba ganyan.
Iba talaga eh. Si wifey, iba ang gamit ni wifey. Ano to, wifey? Manic Panic. Manic Panic. Ay, yung mga ibibenta namin, hindi pa namin na-ayos. So, bukas na lang. Malami.
Kasi this is the type.
Where's the wifey? Ayoko na hawakan. Nagsa-static tiger.
This is the type kasi that, kailangan mo i-ganon.
Imudmod. YouTube live. Thanks to wifey. Siya nagturo sa akin. Hindi ako marunong. So, I need to do my nails for tomorrow's shoot, guys. So, I need something that will really dry up super quick. So, I have here the Girl Stuff nail color, which is something, ano lang to, nude lang siya. I love this color. It's really, like, very neutral. And then for the fast dry top coat, we have this one. Also from Girl Stuff. Yung tawag sa kanya, fast dry top coat. Okay, ito yung isa pa sa mga go-to ko na top coats, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ako. So, I don't really have much time, kaya kailangan mag-apply na ako para makatulog na rin ako. So, we're gonna use this one. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Super quick lang. As you can see, the color is super pigmented. One coat pa lang yan, guys. So, I'm just gonna stick to one coat. Now, we're gonna move on to the Girl Stuff Fast Dry Top Coat. So, this is just a clear coat. If you're familiar, of course, you're familiar. Medyo may cooling sensation nga. I love it. I'm done! So, we're gonna wait a few minutes lang. Yan ang itsura niya. Love it! Thank you so much, wifey. They already left. Nagchikahan lang kami ng konti. Thank you, wifey. I love my hair. It's so great. So, a few minutes have already passed, guys. And look at this. Hinahawakan ko na yung nails ko and they're super duper dry. Oh my gosh. As in, hindi na siya magbabudge at all. That's how quick dry the top coat is. Look. Oh my gosh. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. We really enjoyed Facebook Live and YouTube Live. So, we're gonna do that more often. So, that's it. Bye! Bye! See you tomorrow! Mima!
Bye-bye.